I'm just here. I found out yesterday afternoon our channel has been monetized. Like, are you serious right now?
I only miss you when the sun goes down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivi Wogu and I'm here so excited. Like, you can't believe the excitement that I have within me right now. Like, I'm just here. I don't even know how to start, but yeah, I'm so excited. I found out yesterday afternoon, I think it was around 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. thereabouts, that our channel has been monetized. Like, are you serious right now? Like, really? Yeah. A journey of 1,000 miles. We're here now. Like, it's been well over 2 years. I think the first time I started YouTube was like 5 years ago or 6 years ago, but then I got discouraged because everything was moving so slowly and all of that. And then I started again in 2021, I believe it was, and now 2023 we are monetized. Like, I can't believe this. I really cannot believe this. I am so thankful, first of all, to God and to my husband, who encouraged me at the time to go back to YouTubing. Is there any word like that? To go back to doing YouTube, making videos and all of that. At the time, he wasn't my husband yet, but he encouraged me to start. And then I was like, I finished complaining. I was like, I started before and it wasn't going well. It was so slow. It's gonna take so many years before I get monetized and all that, and I don't want to go through all that stress. And he was like, no, just do it. You can't know what the outcome is going to be if you don't start. And then I started. And here we are. I'm so excited. I can't even hold myself right now. I'm so excited. I'm really so excited. So this is just a video to give you guys the latest announcements. I'm going to do another follow-up video to say like the things that I did differently from 2021 to this year, especially this year, to like achieve this milestone. I'm really so excited. So I would make another video after this one, so watch out for that. Stay tuned for that. Baby, what's up? Yeah, so I'll make another video and I'll be explaining to you guys the steps that I took. I believe the things that helped to get me monetized at this point. I'm so excited. Look at her face. She's also so excited. Baby, are you excited? Yes, exactly. I feel the same way too. We've been monetized. We've been monetized. Yes. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, for the subscriptions, for all the watch hours you guys give me. I really do appreciate. And I promise I'll be bringing more videos your way, more interesting videos. You guys stay tuned for more content from us. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and please like my videos. Please go back to watch other videos that I've posted in the past. I really would appreciate you guys watching, because I mean, we need to make this ching as in seriously. Seriously, my husband was saying it's not just to be monetized. You know what monetization means? It means more work of consistency. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. I hope and I pray that we have the strength to do this better than we have in the past. And I also would appreciate you guys' prayers and your support. Expect more videos from us. Better videos, right, baby? Yeah, exactly. See you guys in my next video. Bye.